Yo, Stocks 5150, we're back again, and today we have the beginning of some huge market data. Um, what we're gonna have going on in about 3 minutes is we will have our core CPI numbers coming out, and CPI month over month, and CPI year over year, and unemployment claims. That all comes out in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes. 2 minutes and 36 seconds, mind you. Should I pull this up? Let's see if I can pull this up. All right, I got it on the chart. Slide this over here. We already know the stocks 5150 stocks are crazy. Put that like that. And all right, so where I got it at right now is I'm on the 4 hour. We have 29 seconds left, and I'm gonna go down a little time frame. Let's see, 20. So we're gonna go down to the 1 minute. Matter of fact, let's go to two. Let's see how both of these are gonna react. So we got our ES pulled up in our NQ. Let's see what happens. See, right now we're spiking. Oh yeah, and of course, yeah, I'm still in this short the wrong way, but we'll see if it drops or not. Got a pending up core PPI. Let's put it on here. All right, so core CPI is 0.3%. CPI month over month is 0.4%. CPI year over year is 2.9%. Unemployment claims 263,000. There we have it. Look at that. Down and up. Bam. What is that? That's a let's chart this stuff out right quick. Go to the 5 minute. Yeah, that's a huge move right there. So whatever we get in this first 5 minutes, will probably be what we trade today. Again, not helping my position. I'm way out of off base on this one. But let's go. Sticking with it. All right. NQ. Look at that. NQ had a huge spike up. So we got to move up. And for what it's worth, there we go. So here we are with the NQ. We are at 23,964, 23,964. We ran into a ceiling right there. Looks like we peaked right here. So let's put a trend. Let's put one right here. Boom. Turn this one green. All right. And let's see if we bounce down. Actually, it looks like it's consolidating to go back up, but we shall see what range we'll have for today. 23.9. I'm not going to do anything right now. And right back down to the same level. Just look at that. That's what just happened. Just like that. We break below it. Up there we go. Breaking down now. Now we see the reaction. Time is 8:33. Oh, look at that. Heading back. How far down will we go? Probably to this 50% fib and bounce. No, straight through. Woo, boy. Somebody making some money today. Somebody shorting that made that move. Wow. Look at this chart, see what's happening. All right, on the 5 minute, like I said, we holding right here on ES. Still up, still just slightly below the 78.6 though. So it's not really that big of a still up. We're still bullish. We haven't got down here to 61.8. Let's go to the 1 hour so we can take a look at the 15 minute. 15 minutes so we can see it clearer. Yeah, you can see we just touched the 200 on the 15 and we didn't touch the 100. So that range right there. I mean, that's a reaction. That's a reaction. How much points is that on that move so far? We are CPI, the range was 26 points on the ES. Let's see what it is on the NQ. The range is 25 points, 25.5 points. Same thing. Let's see what it is. What that was, oh, that's the same thing. I'm sorry. That was December's contract. This is NQ. All right, December, I mean September. Oh, sorry, NQ, 131 points, and still going down. Man, FOMO in now. See, you should have been short, huh? That's what you're telling yourself. It's all good. So we'll be messing with the NQ today more than likely. One, because I'm still in this position. We're coming down though. It's starting to level out. We were at two something, so now we're at 180. So if this continues in the right direction, this might level out. I mean, it's got to get all the way down to 64.97 for me to be green though. But let's stand by and see what happens. Now, all right, so we got to bounce. What did we bounce? We bounced 23,882. 23,882 is all right. So our range right now, let's put some 5 minute. 23,921. That's our low. So we bounce right there. All right. I took a trade this morning here at the top, and we went down to here. Fair enough. So we were heading down anyway. We were trending down, and that's what we got for this candle. All right, so that's our first 5 minute candle. Time now is 8:37, right after core PPI numbers. And again, those numbers are core CPI 0.3, CPI month over month is 0.4%. That's green. Core PPI, core CPI year over year is 2.9, and unemployment claims 263,000. Now the forecast was 235,000, so that's actually more. So that's worse. This is just so we can get a rate cut. So the crazy part about the market now, the CPI year over year and the CPI month over month, those numbers weren't that bad. It was forecast and actually like a little better. So, so inflation apparently must not be that bad. And the core CPI is flat. It was forecasted at 3.3%, and the actual was zero point 0.3. The previous was zero point 0.3. So that's holding. That's the month over month is slightly higher. So greater is better than lower. This ain't bad numbers. Bad, unemployment, of course, unemployment is higher. And unemployment being higher means that the Federal Reserve will more than likely cut rates because they feel like that's going to help. But we already know that they're going to lower rates. So that's kind of been priced in already. I'll say this and I'll say it one more time, then I'm going to close out because this is just for that. This is just for this. This video is just for that. This market data. I don't believe that just because we have um, unemployment claims higher and the Federal Reserve lowering interest rates so that companies can go back and get higher loans or get loans or whatever, refinance, whatever they need to do. I don't believe that's going to translate into job growth. I think that's just going to translate into today's world, um, more spending for AI because right now we're in the AI time and that's just where we at. I don't see them bringing on those jobs back, and that's just what it is. So yeah, that's where we at. We can also see here Europe has some monetary statement. So EU got some stuff going on too, but everybody's was flat. Yeah. Look at the 10-year bond auction. Let's see, previous was 4.2, and yeah, that's down. It was 4.03. That was yesterday. Yeah, the high shield, selling that debt, but it's less people buying it this time. Interesting. Interesting, but not. All right. So we are where we are. And let's see, that's our range. We got our 5 minutes. What did I do? I moved that, didn't we? Let's move this here. So that's we bounced that. So we got our ranges now. Today we will trade NQ. Wait, where did I put chart that at? We'll trade between here and here today. Let's go back to trade, make sure, put this on the hour, 15 minutes so I can see it. All right, so that's the range we're going to trade between. I need to keep it 100. This is the one. This is the range. This is the core. This 830. Not good. It's this 5 minutes right here. So I need to put this in the right spot. Man. All right, so that's the range that we're going to trade in today. We'll see what happens. All right, stocks 5150. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. I'll probably go back live and trade a little bit. So we out. That's it for the Forex Factory.